Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Speak Up with Shahay, the podcast where we talk, laugh, and most importantly, we learn English together. I am your host Shahay, and today we have a very exciting guest with us. She has come all the way from the US. She loves India. She loves chai. Yes, chai. And she's here to help us understand how small talk actually works in the real world. Please welcome Sarah.
Hi everyone! Oh my god, I am so happy to be here. Shahay, thank you so much for having me. And yes, I am absolutely obsessed with chai. Like seriously obsessed.
See? This is why we get along. Sarah, for our listeners who are watching for the first time, can you just quickly introduce yourself? Tell us a little about you.
Of course. So I'm Sarah. I'm originally from New York, but I've been traveling a lot. And India is honestly one of my favorite countries. The people here are so warm, so welcoming. I love it.
Aw, that's so sweet. And our listeners, today's topic is something we all struggle with. Small talk. That casual, light conversation you have with a stranger, maybe at a bus stop, a coffee shop, an airport, a wedding, anywhere. And Sarah, since you travel so much, you must be a pro at this, right?
I mean, I've had a lot of practice. But honestly, it can feel awkward even for native speakers sometimes. So let's break it down together.
Okay, so Sarah, let's start from the basics. Tell our audience, why should we even bother with small talk? कुछ काम की बात नहीं होती इसमें, तो क्यों करें?
That's such a common feeling. But here's the thing. Small talk is actually the foundation of all bigger conversations. It breaks the ice. It makes the other person comfortable. And in professional settings especially, it builds rapport before you get to the serious stuff.
Hey listeners, did you catch that word? Rapport? It means a warm, friendly understanding between two people. Like when you meet someone and you just click. We'll come back to this word later. But Sarah, let's say I'm at an airport. I'm sitting next to a stranger. How do I even start a conversation?
Great question. The easiest way is to comment on something you're both experiencing at that moment. Like the weather, the delay, the place. You could say something like, "Wow, it's really packed here today, huh?" Or, "Have you been waiting long?" These are simple, low-pressure openers.
Okay, so now we know why small talk matters. But there are some things you should do, and some things you should absolutely not do. Sarah, what are your top tips?
Okay, so do ask open-ended questions. That means questions that can't be answered with just yes or no. Instead of saying, "Do you like this place?" say, "What do you think of this place?" See the difference?
Yes, one invites a real answer, the other just gives a one-word reply. Brilliant.
Exactly. Also, do listen actively. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Actually listen, react, nod. Say things like, "Oh really? That's interesting. No way." These show you're engaged.
हाँ, वरना तो लगता है आप अपना फोन देख रहे हो. Which is very rude, by the way. We all know that person.
Oh, totally. And the don'ts. Don't jump into heavy topics right away. Politics, religion, personal money matters. These are too heavy for a first conversation with a stranger. Keep it light.
This is actually so important. In English, there's a concept of safe topics. Things that are comfortable for anyone to talk about. Think weather, travel, food, sports, local events. These are your best friends when talking to a stranger. Okay, everyone. Now this is my favorite part of the show. Roleplay time. Sarah and I are going to act out a real conversation. You watch carefully. Notice the phrases we use, how we keep the conversation going, and how we end it naturally. Ready, Sarah?
Born ready. Let's do this.
Hey, that's a lot of luggage. Big trip?
You have no idea. I've been traveling for almost 2 weeks now. I'm heading back home today, finally.
Oh wow, 2 weeks. That's a long time. Where are you coming from, if you don't mind me asking?
India, actually. Spent most of my time in Rajasthan. It was absolutely stunning.
Oh, really? Rajasthan is beautiful. First time in India?
No, actually, this is my third time. I keep coming back. The food, the culture, the people, I just love it.
Okay, now you're making me want to travel more in my own country. What was your favorite part?
Honestly, just sitting at a chai stall in the evening and watching the world go by. There's something so peaceful about it.
That's the most Indian thing someone has ever said to me, and I love it. Hey, I think they're calling our gate. It was really nice talking with you.
You too. Have a great flight.
So, listeners, did you notice what happened there? We started with something we could both see, the luggage. Then we asked open-ended questions, we listened, we found common ground, and we ended naturally, not awkwardly. That's how good small talk works. Before we say goodbye, Sarah, can you give us your top 5 phrases that anyone can use for small talk? Like right now, today?
Absolutely. Here they are. 1. What brings you here today? Great opener in any setting. 2. How long have you been in this city, this job, this place? 3. Have you tried the food here, this place, this event before? 4. Oh, really? That's interesting. Tell me more about that. Best follow-up line ever. 5. It was really great talking to you. The perfect, polite way to end.
Save these, write these down, put them on your bathroom mirror, whatever it takes. These 5 phrases will make you sound natural, confident, and friendly in any small talk situation. And that's a wrap on episode 1 of Speak Up with Shahay. Sarah, this was so much fun. Thank you for being such an amazing guest.
Oh, I had the best time. Your audience is going to be speaking English like pros in no time.
I love that confidence, Sarah. Okay, everyone. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. In the next podcast, we have a brand new topic coming your way. And remember, every great conversation starts with just one line. You've got this. See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking up.